Welcome to LinkedIn Heroes. It's Nathanial here. LinkedIn Heroes is... It's
the best when that happens.
Are you having a laugh? Is she having a laugh?
What you're saying is the mental.
Rough and ready, swiping things, which, I don't know, I think I know some couples that have found love out of it, so it's working, and I've found some other things out of it too. But yeah.
Can't you see we're filming?
Emergency.
See happening on Jesus. Oh, I've still got sticking my stomach out a bit in that picture there. Jesus, am I going to need to vet some of these photographs? Anyway, so where was I?
Evacuate now. Emergency. Attention.
Beauty, we're back again. What's cracking LinkedIn? You know who it is? Live from... I'm just fucking joking. I can't say you know who it is. Leave it in there.
Leave that as a blooper.
Leave it in there. I think that there comes a time in every vlogger's fucking life where they just go, fuck, I've got a camera in front of my face all the fucking time. Like most vloggers would be vlogged out by vlog o'clock. And Andrew doesn't like the wind, but like I'm in the middle of, what was I talking about? I lost my train of thought now. Do I look fat in this shirt?
No, you look fine.
It's a bit windy.
Guys, Andy Morrissey here. We have started with Nathanial Bibby, a new video series called The Vlog. No, The Vlog, sorry. Yeah, The Vlog.
What's it called?
The Vlog. Yeah, hashtag The Vlog. The Vlog.
I'm going to start being nice to my Instagram followers as well, because I'm always like, F you Instagram, you f***ing hashtags, you're all a bunch of bots. Soothe us, so that my voice doesn't, so I can reach more people.
Do you need water or something, or you good?
No, good.
I'm so excited.
That's the talk every time I'm doing a video, don't you?
You sure you don't want any water? Okay, what's BTS?
Behind the scenes, BTS. There you go, finally one where you're not talking and making us look silly. Love it, films me puts it up and I'm wearing shorts and no shoes.
It's like Instagram, BTS. You are the only guys who can do the fucking shorts.
You know what BTS stood for a minute ago?
If you could be a superhero, who would you choose and why?
Look, simple answer, I don't really have to think about this one too much. I'd be Nathanial Bibby. He's the superhero of LinkedIn.
I can't believe you said that.